Alright, where we go? Let's take this one. Alright. There it is. We got Mike. Troy. Trevor. Scott Sean. Sweeney. Ronnie Rust. Randy Dean. Corey, Chris. Ortega. Dennis, Stacy. And that's it. All right. Everybody's tagged to it. All right, teams on this one came out to be... the Rays went to Mike Kefauver, Indians Troy Huber, White Sox Scott Boss, Dodgers Sean Sweeney, Ronnie Rust got the Brewers, the Braves, Rockies, and Orioles all went to Troy Huber, Pirates Randy Jones, Reds Nadim Abuhala, Diamondbacks John Ketteris, Marlins Matt Hemstrought, Nadim got the Tigers. Troy Huber got the Mariners and Cubs. Sean Sweeney, the Astros. Trevor Huber got the Twins. Randy Jones, the Rangers. Trevor got the Mets. Bob Surtek, the Angels. Sweeney got the Yankees. Corey Carell got the Blue Jays. Chris Coronaga got the Giants. Matt Hemstrought got the A's. Dennis Burnham, the Padres. Stacy Johnson got the Royals. Trevor Huber got the Cardinals. Troy Huber got the Nationals. Mike Kefauver got the Red Sox. And Chris Coronaga got the Phillies. That's how this one worked out. All right. Let's see how this plays out. Let me get the gloves on. And we'll get this thing ripped for you. I don't know. I was just looking at a different way to get it moving. The quarter case went real slow. And then the half altogether went real slow over the last week. So... figured maybe we try a new way of getting it filled quick and without breaking the bank and still get cards out of it. I still have 3 boxes left of it. So maybe we'll do one more like this and maybe a quarter case to wrap it up. Something like that. Or if you like these, I mean, I'll do these all day. It's kind of fun. Man, that pile's getting too high. All right, there is the seal on one side, and there's the seal on the other. I've got top loaders sitting here with sleeves waiting for me. Oh, that's a thicker one. There's more cards in this, maybe. 3. This looks like an extra card. We have 7 instead of 6. Is that a book? Maybe. That one looks pretty thick. We'll see how that plays out. I do have a magnetic that will fit it. First card coming. Austin Meadows. Rays relic card. Looks like a jersey. 44 out of 99. So the Rays get on the board. That's Mike Kefauver. And then what is this? Is this what I think it is? Oh, Willie McCovey. 25 out of 49 relic card. Number to 25 out of 49. That's going to the Giants, who Chris Coronaga gets that one. Willie McCovey. Ooh, look at this one. That's why it's thicker. That's a cool card. Number 19. Hold on. We're going to need that. Number 19 out of 25. Rookie card. Jumbo Fielding Glove of Alex Kirilloff. Autographed Jumbo Fielding Glove. Rookie card. Number 19 out of 25. Twins. Trevor Huber. There you go, bud. That's a nice hit. And that'll go right in here. It's almost a perfect fit. Nice hit there for one boxer. Alex Kirilloff of the Minnesota Twins. Wow, it's a piece of his glove and his auto. That is a nice Twins hit. And then right after that, we're going to go to a monochrome. Silver Sharpie of Daniel Johnson of the Indians. Rookie card auto, Silver Sharpie. Relic on the top as well. 8 out of 50. And that's going to be Troy Huber. He had the Indians. It's interesting how every box seems to get us something different. That's what it seems like is happening. At least they're spreading them around. Then we have a Chris Paddock. What is that? 89 out of 99 autograph for the Padres. And the Padres is going to be, where is it? It's down towards the bottom. Dennis Burnham gets that one. Chris Paddock. And our last card is pretty cool. Rookie. Looks like maybe a jumbo patch. Not a patch, but a jacket. Jacket autograph rookie. 61 out of 99. Christian Javier of the Astros. And there is your 6 cards. The Astros is Sean Sweeney. I know that, right? Yep. Cool. That's a nice little hit for the Astros. A jacket rookie card auto. Numbered 61 out of 99. So there is your Astros. We got Chris Paddock autograph. 89 to 99 out for the Padres. We've got an Indians hit. Daniel Johnson rookie card monochrome autograph. Relic. 8 out of 50. Silver Sharpie. We got this awesome hit. Alex Kirilloff, Jumbo Fielding Glove, rookie card auto, 19 out of 25 for the Twins. And then we have Willie McCovey, relic, number to 49 for the Giants, and an Austin Meadows Rays relic card. And that's how that box plays out. That is pretty cool. I appreciate it again. We'll keep them moving. And yeah. Then we'll see what else is out. Is Bowman Sterling out yet? I think it might be. I don't know. Might have gotten pushed, but if that's out, I'll be getting some of that coming up. It's a bunch of relic or a bunch of autos in that usually. I don't know. I'll keep moving. But cool. Thank you again. That was a nice little break. Nice card out of it. I like that. That's pretty awesome. There it is again, just so you can see it. Close up piece of his glove. That's pretty awesome. Well, cool. You guys have a great rest of the night. I'll keep pushing these. We'll probably put another one up tomorrow night. And I might just put them both up. Just do a single box like this. And then maybe just do a quarter case of the final 2. And wipe that case out. Hockey's still open. I've got one filler up. It's got the Minnesota Wild, which is pretty good in that. I got it. Yeah, here's the cup box. It's in my hands. And then I've got 2 upper decks, 1 Series 1, 1 Series 2. They're pretty cool. Young Guns. I think there's 6 in each, so 12 Young Guns and some nice cup action. Maybe we can get that rolling and get that done over the weekend. I appreciate it. I'm around if you need me. We will see you.